Stop hating. All y'all motherfuckers hating. If you wasn't so busy hating, you go get some money. Get that shit out your heart. That shit ain't good for you. That shit ain't good for you.
Would you look at that, guys? Look at what happened, and like the wise words of my friend Whoa Vicky says, quit hating and talking shit and stop getting wrecked. It's your boy Chris bringing you another daily technical analysis for crypto. Oh man, I am so excited. All the moon boys were saying that we were going to go up, that we were never going to go ahead and hit 3K, and look at that. Look at that, guys. 1419 hitting all-time yearly lows. And instead of talking shit, you guys could have gone ahead and got into the trades, tuned in every day, watched the technical analysis, and you guys would go ahead and reap the benefits. And to make matters worse, I posted today in the morning, both on Facebook and on Instagram, to hop into the trades. Now's a good time to get in. I wonder how many of you guys actually going ahead and did that. If you guys would have gone and tuned in and posted and listened to me, you guys would be so happy right now. You'd be like, thank you, Chris. You're so great. Made us a ton of money, right? But it's okay. Let's go ahead and get into the technical analysis and talk about what's happening with the markets and what's going on. So, I told you guys yesterday that we were going to go ahead and bounce around this thing. It was looking like we were going to go drop because we were just trading around this area. We were starting to touch the wedge. Managed to go ahead and touch, go back, and then started dropping. And you know what's great? Right now we're still at 34. We're still not even at that 3K. The profits are only going to get better and better and better. Oh, I'm so excited for all this. And I'm so excited for you guys and the money you guys are about to be making. So I wanted to go ahead and zoom out into the daily just so we can look at it, right? Things are looking down. Look at that size of that candle right there. Oh, amazing. Amazing. Life-changing opportunities right now, guys. Life-changing opportunities. For you guys that listen and stay consistent and trust your boy, making a ton of money. Right now, we're going to go ahead and start testing down to this new yearly low right here. That's going to be around the 3K mark, right? So kind of leave your trades in, your short positions up here, and pull out around here. If you guys want to be savages and stay in some trades, go ahead and do that. You know, we're here to invest long term. There's going to be a potential for a lot of great opportunities. I also wanted to go ahead and go over to the Coinbase chart so that you can look at the same thing, right? Coinbase is a little bit different, just the way they do their exchanges, so their limits are a little bit different. But, you know, it's still kind of doing the same thing, heading in that downward direction, right? We're going to go ahead and bounce around here. Coinbase, you know, we have a little bit of support and resistance right here at the 32, so I'd look to kind of pull out there to start monitoring around the 32. If you go a little bit lower, start hitting to the 2K, pull out. If you start to kind of start bouncing around this area right here, you know, just play it safe. Be safe. You make your money. Don't get greedy and lose your profits just because, oh, you were waiting for it to go a little bit lower. But if you go ahead and break through, there's not a lot of support and resistance right here. Man, there's no reason why we can't drop to this area. And, oh, man, look at that opportunity for that short. It's going to be great. It's going to be great, even better than the last one. You know, right now, I don't think we're done with capitulation. I think we're just beginning. You know why? Because people still have hope. So many of you guys are saying that, oh, we're 35, we're going to go to the moon. And the fact that some of you guys still have hope tells me that things aren't over yet. And it doesn't help that NASDAQ was announcing that they're going to go ahead and release their futures halfway through the next year. And that's going to go ahead and make the market drop even more. We're going to hit all-time lows. And if all-time lows scare you, you're just the guy that downloaded an app about Coinbase and bought up here, and you're losing money and you feel like crying. Well, guess what? Continue to cry because it's going to continue to drop and you're going to go ahead and lose that money. But for you guys that are my traders, you guys that actually do your homework and are not just gambling in the markets, you guys are excited for the things to come. And you're hoping that things get lower because that means there'll be more trading opportunities, more money. And just to kind of confirm my thoughts, I wanted to go ahead and bring up the chart of the market cap. Guys, we dropped 50% in less than a month. And it's continuing to go down. We're starting to move in the downward direction much faster than we were before. And that means that there's more trades, more volatility, more opportunities for us to make money with for the savages, right? So keep your eye out. Listen to your boy. I'll go ahead and start keeping you guys posted. Remember to go ahead and tune into the daily live stream. Let's go ahead and move over to Litecoin. Nothing really happened in Litecoin, right? I told you guys to just kind of start watching the markets. So still not quite there. So just monitor, set those alerts, and start monitoring once we start hitting below these 2 support and resistance lines, right? Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum is looking a little bit better. Yesterday when I streamed, we were around this area. I told you guys that if you break through to here, to start looking into positions, because we'll probably drop down to this area right here. Not really a lot of support right here. So when we break through that, there's no reason why we won't drop all the way down here. Massive, massive profits, life-changing profits, mad profits for you guys that are over there consistent and just believe and are not just gambling and do your technical analysis and do your homework and not only watch into the daily live stream, but tune into other streamers to see what they're thinking, what their thoughts, so you can increase your chances. All right, guys. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'll let you guys know what's going on with the markets. I'm going to start posting every day like I told you guys. Remember to tune in. Stop getting red. Stop talking shit. And like Wolf Vicky says, go get your money. Thanks for tuning in.